Hey, it's Nick Christian. I just wanted to come on here and drop some game on the smartest way to make 15,000 in 30 days. Now, I've recently challenged myself to start from scratch and see how long it would take me to make $15,000 from nothing, from zero, and it took only 30 days. Now, the best two ways to do this and the best two ways to get rich in America is to provide a service or a product. Now, everywhere you go, there's businesses everywhere. There's money everywhere. These large buildings that you see, somebody has money. You just got to go and get it from them in the good way. So one thing that came to mind is, why not start an AI agency? Why not do high ticket sales to businesses who are already making, 20, 30, 100,000 a month? Why not sell to those people? Why not sell to roofing companies? Why not sell to automotive companies? For each appointment that you book for a roofing company, it's worth like $7,000 for each roof. So if I go to a roofing company and tell them I can get them 5 to 10 appointments each month, of course they're gonna, who wouldn't want to do that, right? So I would do this. And another way, I forgot, is websites. There's lots of businesses out here. There's lots of entrepreneurs out here who don't have a website, who want to get something going. We're in 2026. Everyone's trying to be an entrepreneur. Nobody wants to work anymore. So what better way than to have a website agency? And let me tell you the key to this, the trick to this, how to do it, what steps to take, because I know if you're sitting at home, you don't know what to do. You don't even know what I'm talking about. But I also want to let you know I am open as well to answering any questions in the comment section. And I do have mentorship going on for anyone who does need additional help and who's ready to take the next step and change their life. So to start an AI appointment setting agency, all you need to do is find your niche. Now, there's tons of businesses out here, like I said, roofing company, cosmetic company, testosterone company, money management. There's tons of businesses out here that need services that can generate tons of revenue. So I would call 50 businesses a day in one niche. I would call them every single day, 5 days a week. And with that, you'll book appointments. So let's say from 50 calls a day, you book 3, 4, 5 appointments, right? And then you close at least 2 people out of that 3, 4, 5 appointments. If you're charging $1,000 or $1,500 a month, that's one down. That's $3,000 right there. That's $2,000 right there off one day of work. So as you continue to do this within 30 days, you'll be at $15,000. It's a numbers game. It only takes 10 people, 11 people, 7 people to truly change your life, to make a lump sum of cash to be able to do what you want to do. Because I'd rather take that risk in that route than work somewhere making 4 to 5K a month and not even, you're a slave. You feel like a slave. So it's like, I'd rather just take that risk and do it myself and get paid myself. There's no better feeling than being the bank. There's no better feeling than seeing 15K, 1,000 here, 1,500 there. It's like a game. And the momentum, once it snowballs, it's like, man, I'm on fire. Now I got 11 clients. Let's go ahead and get 20, 30. And then you look up and you're at 50, 100K a month, right? So it's numbers. Like I said, a website development or starting an AI agency. And with website development, I know how to charge $200 in production to produce a nice high quality $1,000 website, $1,500 website to these businesses. So it's like, and the best thing about it is you do good work, people are going to send you lots of referrals. You're going to get a lot more business, and that's how it all really comes down to. So don't be afraid to pick up the phone, call businesses, and also meet in person. The best way to make it really fast is meeting in person. That's why I said, call people within your local area. Call these businesses that's 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes away, because once they see you face to face and you look them in the eye and you tell them what you can do, they're going to sign on with you. They're going to give you that chance. They're going to invest in you and give you that shot. Now, once they give you the shot, you better ball. You better ball like Kobe. But that's why it's super important to have mentorship. That way, you don't make any mistakes. That way, you have the entire blueprint on how to make $15,000 a month within 30 days. And I'm living proof. I started over from scratch, from zero, just to see how to do it from nothing. And I did it again. I did it again. Super, super easy. So feel free to reach out to me at NaChristianAI on Instagram. Feel free to comment in the comment section if you have any questions. I'm open to answer any questions from anyone, and I look forward to dropping more knowledge.